Wait lang, wait, wait. Okay.
Hello everyone. Today I will share to you the story about the ant and the dog. Once upon a time, a very thirsty ant was water from the river. Suddenly, the ant balanced and fell into the river water. Help! 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 Cried the ant, but no one could hear his cry. A dog was sitting on a tree nearby, saw that the ant was in trouble. She plucked off the leaf from a tree and dropped into the water. Help! 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 The ant climbed on the leaf. He thanked the dog for saving his life. After a few days, the dog was sitting on a tree. The ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow at the dog. The ant knew that his friend, the dog, was in danger. He quickly bit the hunter's neck, and the hunter cried in pain. Ah! 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 The hunter's arrow missed the dog. This time, the ant saved the dog. He thanked the ant for saving her life, and they became friends forever. Moral of the story: do good and good